Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and add product variants to your products in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our Shopify store if you have not already. So if you do not already have that opened up, just go to shopify.com right here, and if you are not already logged in the upper right corner is going to appear the option to go and log into your account or sign up for a new one if you do not already have one. So once you're logged in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From here we can get started with setting up our store, and at the left side of the screen we can find all the sections we can use for managing our store. So to add product variants, what we're going to do is go ahead and open up the product section right here, and after opening up the product section we can find all the products we can use and that we have added to your store. So we're going to open up the product we want to add a variant for, so I'm going to click on this shirt right here, and as you can see now I can go ahead and find all the options that I have for managing my product right here. And as you can see, once you go ahead and scroll down a bit, you can find the inventory option, shipping, and so on, and one of the options you're going to be able to see is the variants option. So if you want to add options like size or color, just click the plus button right here and you can select what you want to add. As you can see, you have the neckline, size, fabric, whatever you want, click color, and then you can add variants, let's say black, white, and so on. You can select the options right here. Once you're satisfied, click done, and it's going to add the variant to your product, and that is how it's done. You can go ahead and add as many variants as you want. So that's how to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.